Automation is changing the way that business operate. Big data is the fuel of artificial intelligence. The more data artificial intelligence can tap, the greater their intelligence and disruptive potential. If you want to be disruptive, if you want to keep up with change, you have to be creative. Director of Personal Disruption, Tom Lightning, is on a mission. We need better answers on the biggest challenges of our time. If you want to make a difference, look for places where nobody is looking. May I present the keynote speech. Welcome to Disruptionland.
And we've heard it today. I really believe the next decade there's going to be some major changes.
Yesterday I heard Tom Lightning for the first time, and man is this guy good.
He would teach me how to do things differently, how to step totally out of the box.
Companies are not disruptive, people are.
I learned some things, which is amazing to see a speaker who has such talent, such ability to make people laugh, and still deliver powerful information.
Hey, so I've just seen Tom Lightning doing his Disruptionland. Awesome!
When you use the word disruption, a lot of people come to you and say, oh man, I hate the word disruption. It's a buzzword. It's, everybody uses it. You know what I say? You're totally right.
There's so many speakers with a good message, but it's not enough. You need a good message and you need to make the audience laugh. And the audience today, they laughed. I think they laughed the most in your session.
And I thought, roller coaster ride. And that's what I have to say about this wonderful, wonderful opportunity and the blessing to have Tom in Swakopmund, Namibia. Thank you, Tom.
There was a moment that I thought, you know what? I just do 25% of the content. Why not? But I'm not that kind of guy. I'm gonna do it all.
Is disruption impersonated. If you want your organization to do things differently, show up differently, and impact your customers differently, this is the man to come.
And I'm talking about Disruptionland. You should see, listen, and live the experience, the fabulous experience, I would say, that Tom is able to give you.
I love this picture actually, because a lot of people say he's hiding for something. He's afraid. That's not what I see. What I see is he's looking at places where nobody's looking. But I actually see this. Can I add more? The only thing I want to add more is dig deeper, disrupt yourself, and find the best version of yourself. Thank you very much.